Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Dr. Genius. Hey. I be high when I split a Dutch and fill it up. I be high when I get my money doubled up. I be high.
Alright, this is Devin from Patriot Airsoft, and today we're recording a review on the KJW M9.
He brings them everywhere, dude.
Alright, this gun pretty much consists of a nice solid frame. It's mostly plastic from the grip to the slide and the trigger and trigger guard. The barrel is metal and the mags are metal, but that's mostly the only metal parts on it. The M9 is double action, so you pull, even when it's no mag inside of it, the hammer still goes back. What's the FPS on this? About 320? Standard pistol standard pistol FPS. And we got 2 mags for this right now, so let's go do a test fire. Alright, so before putting the mag in, the hammer is not set back, so I'm going to put a mag in. Just to show the double action, I don't have to pull the slide back completely. All I have to do is start pulling the trigger. And as soon as you go through the whole mag, if we had enough gas in there to put all the BBs, the slide will stick back. The slide does stick back when the last BB is expelled. Pretty much to disassemble this gun, you're going to want to press the button on the right hand side until a little pin pops up, then push this slide forward. From that, you take the magazine out, and the slide comes right off. And from there, you can upgrade whatever you want or adjust the hop up. That's about it on the KJW M9. This is Devin from Patriot Airsoft. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Why don't we do the other one?